Most people think the Titanic sank because it hit an iceberg, killing over 1,500 people in 1912. But what if that iceberg wasn't the only villain? Buckle up, here's what really doomed the unsinkable ship. This is history in 2 minutes. The hull of Titanic wasn't as tough as advertised. Builders used cheap iron rivets instead of steel in key spots, over 3 million of them. In the icy Atlantic, those rivets turned brittle like glass. When the berg scraped along, pop. They shattered, letting water flood 6 compartments. Experts say stronger rivets could have saved her. Blame cost-cutting by the White Star Line. A massive coal fire raged in the ship's bunker before she even left port. It burned for days, weakening the steel hull right where the iceberg hit. Crew shoveled coal faster to control it, pushing the ship to full speed, 21 knots, straight into ice fields. A journalist's photo album reveals black scorch marks on the side. Fire plus ice. Deadly combo. More so, conspiracies abound that Captain Smith ignored 6 iceberg warnings that night. No binoculars for lookouts, a last-minute steering blunder turned the ship into the berg instead of away. And whispers of an insurance scam, was it really the Titanic, or her damaged sister ship Olympic switched for a payout? J.P. Morgan, the owner, cancelled his ticket last minute, coincidence? So, was it just an iceberg, or a perfect storm of greed, fire, and fatal mistakes? You won't believe how close we came to no disaster at all. What's your wildest Titanic theory? Let's hear it in the comments.